हाय फ्रेंड्स, गो फिल्मी के 30th एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। दिस इज राजीव विजयकर एंड पिछली बार हमने दिसंबर के ब्लॉकबस्टर्स की तरफ नजर घुमाई थी एंड आई हैड टोल्ड यू दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम वी लुक एट द सुपरस्टार्स ऑफ दिस मंथ. We have 8 big names who have come in December, who have been born in December. उनमें से सबसे पहले आते हैं क्रोनोलॉजिकली 8 दिसंबर को हमारे अपने चहीते धर्मेंद्र साहब, who is, as we all know, not just a he-man, as my book says about him. Dharamji has done every kind of role under the sun and has excelled in it. Incidentally, 1960 में धर्मजी की पहली फिल्म दिल भी तेरा हम भी तेरे दिसंबर में ही रिलीज हुई थी, so that this year he completes a full 6 decades as an actor. धर्मजी के साथ उसी दिन Sharmila Tagore was also born, and she has been one of his favorite co-stars in the pre-Hema Malini era, if I can call it that way. And they have done 7 films together, and almost all of them, Devar, Anupama, Chupke Chupke, Mere Hamdam, Mere Dost, Yakeen, have been successful at the box office. And they also included a film which was like Dharmendra's home production, his uncle's production, Satyakam, which was heavily appreciated critically but did not do well. So Sharmila के बाद आते हैं हम एक और नाम जो दिसंबर 9 को बॉर्न हुए थे, एंड दैट इज आवर वेरी ओन शॉटगन, ऑल्सो नोन एज शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा. शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा वॉज प्रॉब्ली द फर्स्ट हीरो एवर who made the transition successfully between a big villain and a big hero effortlessly. Vinod Khanna साहब भी थे, लेकिन the difference was that when Shatrughan Sinha came on screen and beat up the hero, it was he who got the claps, not the hero. So we come to December 9 के बाद एक और नाम दिसंबर 11 को दिलीप कुमार साहब, who was born in 1922 and is the senior most of the December superstars. Dilip Saab, as we all know, is an institution. He has done the kind of variety in his acting and stayed the course which very few actors of his generation were able to do. यहाँ पे एक ऐसा आदमी है जिनकी शुरुआत 1944 में हुई and his last film was in 1998. And most of this long phase of 55 years saw Dilip Kumar successful at the box office. After this, on 12th December comes the South superstar Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth, like another hero whom we'll discuss shortly, is a half Maharashtrian. His real name is Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, and he is also a mega star in the South, who made a smash hit Hindi debut in Andha Kanun in 1983. Could not have that consistency, but even now, जब वो फिल्मों में आते हैं, whether it's a Robo or a 2.0 or a Shivaji the Boss, he is a big hit, and he is still an iconic name and a mega name down south. जिनके जो फॉलोइंग है वो शायद ही किसी हीरो ने वहाँ पे इक्वल की है. After this, 14 December is the day another pillar of Hindi cinema, Raj Kapoor Saab, was born. Actor par excellence, producer, director beyond description, the original showman of the industry. Raj Kapoor has made films as varied as Barsat, Avara, Sri 420, Boot Polish, Sangam, Bobby, and has become, successful for generations. His first film as a producer director to hit the bullseye at the box office was the 1949 Barsat, and his last super hit in his entire career as a filmmaker was Ram Teri Ganga Maili in 1985, one of the biggest hits of that decade. Just imagine the longevity. 12 years after Raj Kapoor, Biswajit was born, and he also became a big name in Hindi cinema, albeit for a short while. But then he also did Bengali films, and today he is a big success on stage as a singer. Yes, believe it or not, Biswajit is very successful in the shows he does on stage, both in India and abroad. 14th के बाद आती है 17 दिसंबर, जिस दिन 2 stars took birth, if I may say, put it that way. John Abraham, the action specialist, and Ritesh Deshmukh, the comedy ace. So ये दोनों ने अपना नीश बना लिया हिंदी सिनेमा में. ऐसा नहीं कि वो और किसी तरह के रोल नहीं कर सकते, but their branding is action and comedy respectively. Speaking of comedy, 21st December is the day Govinda was born. Probably after Kishore Kumar, the first comic hero who actually became a big star. And Govinda was again one of the most effortless actors in Hindi cinema, जिन्होंने हर तरह का रोल किया, ऐसे नहीं कि उन्होंने कॉमेडी की, लेकिन उनकी ब्रांडिंग काफ़ी हद तक कॉमेडी में हुई एंड ही गेव मास्टरपीसेस एज वी ऑल नो लाइक आंखें, कूली नंबर 1 एंड सो ऑन. Govinda was born on the 21st and he did a nice comedy called Deewana Mastana in 1997 with another hero who was born in December, Anil Kapoor. Anil Kapoor was born on 24th December and has proved his standing and staying power as a man who's still in pivotal roles in big films. उन्हें हमेशा एक अच्छा एक्टर माना तो गया था, लेकिन 37 years after वो 7 दिन he is considered also a star who has his own following. Anil Kapoor Saab now has an entire generation following him. His daughter Sonam Kapoor and his son Harshvardhan Kapoor are actors. His other daughter Riya Kapoor is a successful producer. But Anil Kapoor marches on regardless of the next generations also making a mark. December 27th is the birthday of today's mega actor and star Salman Khan. इसी फ्रेंड ने मुझे रिसेंटली बताया कि अगर मैंने प्यार किया में ओरिजिनल हीरो कोई और थे, वो आते तो क्या होता. हिंदी सिनेमा का इतिहास पूरी तरह पोस्ट 1989 बदल जाता. सलमान खान इज ऑल्सो हाफ महाराष्ट्रियन लाइक रजनीकांत एंड इवन टुडे हिज फिल्म्स आर क्रेजीली एंटिसिपेटेड एंड वॉच्ड. आखिर में वी हैव राजेश खन्ना, इंडियाज फर्स्ट फिनोमिनन जिसे बोला जाता है, जिन्होंने एक चेन ऑफ हिट्स दिए बगैर फ्लॉप्स एंड दे वर ऑल मैसिव हिट्स. नॉट ओनली दैट, पीपल फॉलोड हिज हेयर स्टाइल, हिज वे ऑफ ड्रेसिंग, हिज वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, हिज वे ऑफ रोमांस. ही वॉज indeed in the cinemas technically first superstar in that sense. Rajesh Khanna ke sath coincidentally his elder daughter Twinkle Khanna was also born on the 29th of December. She is now a successful entrepreneur, author and producer of many of Akshay Kumar's home productions. Now I mentioned Akshay Kumar also for one more reason, that Akshay Kumar की एक दिसंबर के साथ ऐसी लिंक है जिसके वजह से उनकी तकदीर जाग उठी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिल्म जानवर रिलीज इन 1999 on December 24th. Before Janwar, Akshay Kumar had a series of flops, and because of that and because of the fact that he was only getting action roles, he wanted to quit and he wanted to go to Canada because a friend suggested that he come there. और उसके बाद में जानवर रिलीज हुई, चल पड़ी, and he decided that he will stay on, and then he even got his turnaround film Hera Fairy, which released a year later. Now let us look at other people whose careers began in this month. We'll start with two December heroes. Dharamji, we already mentioned, had Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere, which was released in December itself. After this came Salman Khan, जिनकी मैंने प्यार किया. His first lead film was released 2 days after his birthday in 1989. उसके बारे में हमने, उसके सक्सेस के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी बात कर ली है. So we will just mention this fact in passing because these are the two stars whose careers also began in December. There are others also. Ranveer Singh started his career exactly a decade back with Band Baja Bharat in December 2010. 1 year after Ranveer Singh's debut came his second film लेडीज वर्सेस रिकी बेल, और वो शुरुआत थी परिणीति चोपड़ा की. परिणीति चोपड़ा, एज यू ऑल नो, इज प्रियंका चोपड़ा's cousin and she had a distinguished academic career abroad, और उनको एक कुशी बैंक जॉब भी वहाँ मिल रहा था, लेकिन वो छोड़ के यहाँ आई and she joined यशराज फिल्म्स as a PR person and she moved on to become a heroine. Another Yashraj Films name which started out in December was Anushka Sharma, जिन्होंने 2008 में शाहरुख खान के साथ रब ने बना दी जोड़ी में अपने करियर की शुरुआत की. Then we have Rishi Kapoor Saab, who passed away this year tragically, who also started his career in December with Mera Naam Joker way back 50 years back in 1970. He played Raj Kapoor as an adolescent, और वो जो मल्टी स्टार कास्ट जितना भी था, धर्मेंद्र, मनोज कुमार, राजेंद्र कुमार, उनमें वो इसलिए चमके बिकॉज ही वन द नेशनल बेस्ट चाइल्ड एक्टर अवार्ड, बट इट वॉज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ हिज करियर. इस महीने हम दो और लोगों का जिक्र करेंगे जिनका स्टारडम किसी और फील्ड में था, और वो था म्यूजिक. फर्स्ट दिसंबर 25, 1919 को नौशाद साहब का जन्म हुआ, जो शायद इस इंडस्ट्री के सबसे लॉन्ग लास्टिंग कंपोजर रहे. ही पास्ड अवे इन 2005 एंड he started his career in 1940. That is, he worked for 65 years. He worked very selectively, but he left behind a timeless collection of his films and songs. December 24th, before Naushad Saab technically, but in a later year, 1924, the same year as Raj Kapoor, the greatest playback singer in Hindi film history, Mohammad Rafi Saab was born. Rafi Saab sang for all the heroes I have mentioned in December, जो भी उनके टाइम पे आए, लेकिन उन्होंने गोविंदा के लिए भी गाया, जिनका फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस ऑन स्क्रीन वाज 6 years after he passed away. We all know how that happened. A song which was recorded for an earlier film was transferred by the same producer to a new film, First Ki Jang, starring Govinda, and he fit Govinda perfectly. That's all for today, friends, from the December Superstar episode 30 of Go Filmy with Rajiv Vijayakar. If you like this episode, please share and subscribe. Till we meet again, this is Rajiv Vijayakar signing off. See you. Bye-bye.